Here we believe anyone can pass with great ease. Please stay tuned. Thank you. As inequalities can be solved the same way equations are solved. So, this is an example of an inequality, x minus 3. So, this one is already solved. So, how do we represent this? Draw our ruler, our number line 0, then 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then circle. Our inequality says what? X is greater than minus 3. So, greater, which means it's this side. Then there's another one, x less than or equal to 2. Then our number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, then 2, x is less or equal to. Then another thing, guys, if it's less or equal to or greater or equal to, you shade the circle. So this is how you represent them if the two equations are together and it becomes like a simultaneous equation like this, x less than or equal to 2 minus 3. You represent them like this, which is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 3 is here, then our 2 is here, then they connect. This is our range. Then minus 2 less or equal to, this becomes shaded. So this is how you do it, guys. Let's have another example. So 25 is greater than 1 minus 6x, and 1 is greater than 3x plus 7. So solve both inequalities and represent them both on a illustration. So 25, then 1 moves here to the other side and becomes negative 1 greater than minus 6x, then 25 minus 1, which is 24, greater than minus 6x. Then we divide both sides by minus 6, by minus 6, here, 1, here, that's minus 4. Then another thing, guys, always remember, if you divide using a negative number, the sign changes. So it's now minus 4 is less than x. Then on the other side, 1 is greater than 3x plus 7. 7 moves to the other side, it becomes 1 minus 7 less than 3x. Then 1 minus 7, that's minus 6, greater than 3x. Then divide both sides by 3, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 2. So minus 2 is greater than x. So how do we represent them? on an illustration like this: 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then minus 2 here, which is here. So minus 2 is less than x. So x is less than minus 2, which means this side. Then minus 4, then x is greater than minus 4. So minus 4 is here, greater than minus 4. So here. So this is how you illustrate them. Thank you guys. See you next time, and we're going to go through the graphical illustrations of inequalities. Graphical illustrations of inequalities anytime soon, guys, from next week going onwards. Thank you. See you tomorrow.